What's up, my golden flowers? It's your girl Goldilocks. Hey, it's your girl Goldilocks. Hey, and I am back with another video. So, this is a reenactment of the Philly steak and cheese egg rolls, okay? Instead of doing the steak and cheese, I'm going to be doing today the buffalo chicken egg rolls. Y'all hear me? Buffalo chicken egg rolls. Since the Philly steak and cheese egg rolls was such a hit in my household, I decided to switch it up and do the chicken version. So if you guys want to see how this goes down, make sure you stay tuned because this is the shit they should have told you, boo.
Flights, more champagne, different places feel the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.
Okay guys, so what you will need, this is the dry ingredients. You will need the peanut oil to go ahead and fry it in. You're also gonna need your garlic powder, your Italian seasoning, the slap your mama. If you know me, you know that's part of my regimen. You're gonna need some Chipotle seasoning, and you're gonna need some buffalo sauce. This is my favorite buffalo sauce, which is that Frank's Red Hot. They put that shit on everything, so I heard. Quick and easy way, I have the oven rotisserie chicken that I'm just gonna pull that chicken apart. I also have the cold cut shredded chicken that I got from Publix. Need your cheese. My cheese is the pepper jack cheese. And then, of course, your egg rolls. Now, for your sauce, I'm gonna do a Chipotle sauce, cream sauce to go with this. And what you'll need are these 3 ingredients, which is regular mayonnaise, some lemon juice, and some sour cream. All right, you guys, so I've already washed my hands and I am about to dig in. Please be sure to wash your hands because your hands are gonna be all over this chicken as so. So washing your hands is definitely a must. So what I'm gonna do is just cutting all of the chicken breast. Alright you guys, so I have pulled all my chicken and added in my cold cut chicken as well. So all I'm doing is adding my garlic powder. You're adding some of that buffalo sauce. This is the main ingredient, you guys. So now that that is already mixed together, it's ready to be rolling, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and prep first and put my oil into the pot or the frying pan so it can already be ready and already hot. So all I gotta do is just drop that bad boy in and it's a wrap from there. No point intended. This is the roll-up session. So all you need, just go ahead and get your egg roll. Some water, just fresh plain water. You need your chicken and you also need your cheese. Go ahead and get a nice little amount of that chicken, that buffalo chicken. Put it in the center. And what I learned is a little goes a long way, okay? So get that. Then once you have your block cheese, you put that in the center. Go ahead and tap some water because the water is actually gonna go along the edges of the egg roll itself, okay? This is just to seal in everything. All right, so once you do that, go ahead and wrap your end, this other end, Make sure you tuck up under here. And once that is sealed, pull it over. I like to flatten these ends right here and just rub a little bit of water on it so it can actually seal as well. Then you tuck and roll. So you're tucking and rolling, tucking and rolling, tucking and rolling. Then you seal it with a kiss. And there's your first egg roll. Alright you guys, so I already have everything already pre-rolled and I'm about to do the frying part. Alright you guys, so all you need to do, it says on the packet to leave it on for about 7 to 8 minutes. However, I don't do that. I wait till it's golden brown and then that's when I flip it. I flip it around and do the other side, and if it's golden on both sides, it's time to take it out. Now we are at the segment of the Chipotle sauce. Alright you guys, so we are at the grand finale. I am about to open this bad boy up so you guys can see what I see. We're about to dig in. Let's cut this bad boy open. You guys hear that crunch? Oh my gosh. Yes. With the sauce. Y'all, this right here is the shit. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know if you tried this recipe. Please watch it all so you can get this recipe and let me know, because if y'all don't have this recipe, y'all missing. I want y'all to try this out, okay? This is good. This is really, really good. So, until next time, you guys, this is the shit they should have told you.
Flights, more champagne. Different places, still the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.